Windows are more than just a source of natural light. They play a vital role in your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and overall appearance. In Orangeburg's climate, with its hot summers, humid conditions, and occasional storms, keeping your windows in top condition is essential. Over time, even the highest quality windows will show signs of wear and tear. Knowing when it's time to replace them can save you money, improve your home's functionality, and enhance its curb appeal. Here are the top 5 signs that it's time to replace your windows in Orangeburg. Increased energy bills. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows are no longer performing well is a sudden spike in your energy bills. Old or inefficient windows can let in drafts, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Energy loss. Single-pane windows or those with damaged seals allow heat to transfer more easily, leading to higher energy usage. Uneven temperatures. If certain rooms in your home feel warmer or cooler than others, your windows might be to blame. Upgrade benefits. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient options, such as those with low E coatings and double or triple glazing, can help lower utility costs and make your home more comfortable year-round. Visible damage or decay. Physical damage to your windows is an obvious sign that it's time for a replacement. Over time, Orangeburg's humid climate and occasional storms can take a toll on your windows. Cracked or warped frames. Wooden frames can rot, warp, or swell due to moisture, while vinyl or aluminum frames may crack over time. Broken glass. Cracks or chips in the glass compromise insulation and safety. Difficulty opening or closing. Windows that stick, refuse to open, or no longer lock securely are not only inconvenient but also a security risk. Fix or replace. While minor damage like loose hardware can sometimes be repaired, extensive damage typically warrants a full replacement. Frequent condensation or fogging between panes. If you notice condensation forming between the panes of your double or triple glazed windows, it's a clear sign that the window seals have failed. Loss of insulation. Broken seals allow air and moisture to enter, reducing the window's insulating properties. Visual impairment. Foggy windows can obstruct your view and detract from your home's appearance. Replacement required. In most cases, seal failure requires replacing the entire window unit to restore its energy efficiency and clarity. Outdated appearance. Windows are one of the first things people notice about your home. If your windows look outdated, worn, or mismatched, they can significantly detract from your home's curb appeal. Peeling paint. Flaking paint on wooden frames not only looks unsightly but also exposes the wood to moisture and decay. Mismatched styles. Older windows may clash with modern updates to your home's design. Curb appeal boost. Replacing your windows with updated designs and materials can refresh your home's exterior and even increase its value. Poor performance in Orangeburg's weather. In Orangeburg, windows must endure everything from intense summer heat to occasional storms. If your windows fail to stand up to the elements, it's time to consider replacements. Drafts and air leaks. If you feel a noticeable draft near your windows, it's a sign that they are no longer sealed properly. Water damage. Leaking windows can lead to water stains, mold, or rot around the frames. Storm vulnerability. Older windows may not offer the protection you need against strong winds and flying debris. Upgrading to impact-resistant or storm-rated windows can provide year-round peace of mind. The benefits of window replacement. Investing in new windows offers numerous advantages. Energy efficiency. Modern windows are designed to keep your home comfortable while lowering energy bills. Improved comfort. Say goodbye to drafts, uneven temperatures, and foggy panes. Enhanced curb appeal. New windows can give your home a fresh, updated look. Increased home value. High-quality windows are a selling point for potential buyers. Better protection. Storm-rated and impact-resistant windows ensure your home is ready for Orangeburg's unpredictable weather. When to call a professional. If you've noticed any of these signs, it's time to consult a professional window replacement service. They can assess your current windows, recommend the best options for your needs, and ensure a proper installation for maximum performance. Conclusion. Windows are a critical part of your home's structure, comfort, and appearance. Recognizing the signs of aging or inefficient windows is key to maintaining your home in Orangeburg's challenging climate. By replacing your windows, you'll enjoy a more energy-efficient, secure, and visually appealing home. Don't wait for small problems to turn into costly repairs. Take action today and reap the benefits of modern, high-performance windows for years to come.